Assalamualaikum class play group. How are you all? I hope and pray that all of you are fine and doing great at home. As you know that today is 29th of January 2021 and the day is Friday. So what are we going to learn today? We are going to study subject English. Now let's see what do we have to study. We have to study this letter and we have to recognize this letter. Can you please tell me which letter is this? E. E. E has a dot at the top. Do you know its formation? Go down, turn a little and put the dot at the top. So what is our task for today? We are going to revise the things which starts with this letter E. Ink pot. Ink pot. Okay, we put ink in this pot and use it to refill our pens. ठीक है प्यारे बच्चों, हम पेन में इंक भरते हैं इस इंक पॉट से लेकर इंक पॉट. Okay, now let's see what do we have next. Iguana. Iguana. This is a long lizard. ये एक अमेरिकन लिजर्ड है जो आप यहाँ पर बहुत कम देखेंगे, लेकिन ये होती है इग्वाना. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट डू वी हैव नेक्स्ट. इल कोई चीज नहीं होती, ये एक कंडीशन होती है. यानी कि जब हम बीमार होते हैं तो हम क्या होते हैं? हम इल होते हैं. ओके, यानी कि अगर जब हमें बुखार हो जाए या हमारी तबीयत खराब हो तो आप क्या कहते हैं कि आई एम इल, यानी कि मैं बीमार हूँ. आप इस पिक्चर में देखें, ये लड़का भी इल हुआ है, यानी कि बीमार हुआ है. राइट. इल. Igloo is a house. It is a type of a hut which is made up of ice. ये आइस से बना हुआ होता है इग्लू, और ये ठंडी जगहों पर बनाया जाता है जहाँ पर बर्फबारी हुई हो. ओके एवरीवन, इग्लू. नाउ व्हाट डू वी हैव नेक्स्ट? इंसेक्ट्स. इंसेक्ट्स मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया, इंसेक्ट्स किसे कहते हैं? इंसेक्ट्स आर दोज जिसको आप उर्दू में कहते हैं कीड़े मकोड़े. ओके, जैसे कि बटरफ्लाइज, ants and bees, ladybird, right? So insects, इनको collectively क्या कहते हैं? Insects. जैसे birds, बहुत सारी different birds होती हैं, लेकिन उन सबको कहते हैं birds. इसी तरह बहुत सारे different insects होते हैं जिनके नाम होते हैं और हम उनको collectively क्या कहते हैं? Insects. Insects. Now what do we have to do in this? Circle the ink pot which has letter E in it. Okay, now can you spot letter E? Look at the number 1 ink pot. Does it look like E? Yes, because it has a dot at the top. So what are we going to do is, we are going to circle it like this. Now let's see the second ink pot. It has letter T in it. So do we have to circle letter T? No, we are not supposed to circle it. Now let's see. Moving on to third ink pot. इसमें कौन सा letter बना हुआ है? क्या ये E है? No, because it does not have any dot at the top. Now let's see the fourth ink pot. Does it have any letter like E? Yes. E, because it has a dot at the top. Now we will circle it like this. Good job everyone.
Okay everyone, so now open up your English workbook page number 77 yani 77 and put the date at the top, which is 29/1/2021. Now what are the tasks for today? We have to recognize the letter here. then yani कि we'll read it out, then we'll color its vocabulary, pictorial vocabulary, and then we will trace these letters as well. So now take out your sharp pencils everyone, as well as colors. First of all, tell me which letter is this? Can you spot? Go down, turn a little, put the dot at the top, makes E. Now, इसका क्या sound है? E. और इसका क्या sound है? T. It. 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 A. It. इसका क्या sound है? S. E. S. It. Sit. Say it. Sit. Sit. क्या बन गया ये word? To sit. Okay everyone, now you have to read it out. You have to make sounds of the letters and add them up. तो ये मिला के क्या बन गया? Sit. Now take the pictures with the beginning sound E. Now we have the letters here and we have just go through the vocabulary of letter E. So can you please tell me which thing starts with letter E? Yes, igloo. So we are going to tick it. Does tomato comes with E? E tomato? No. So I am not going to tick it. Tell me, does tree starts with letter E? No. So we are not going to tick it. Does ink pot starts with letter E? Yes, ink pot. Ink pot. So I'm gonna tick this one as well. Now, moving on to our next task, we really have to trace the letter with the correct formation. Do you know the formation of letter E? It is the easiest one, mine's favorite. Go down, turn a little, put the dot at the top. Again, starting from here. अच्छा, ये ऊपर से start नहीं होगा, second line से start होगा. Go down, turn a little and put the dot at the top. Again, go down, turn a little and put the dot at the top. Now that you have to complete this, okay everyone? You have to complete the tracing and after that you have to color the insect. Okay everyone, that's all for today. I hope you are now fully able to at least recognize this letter E because it has a dot at the top. Okay, and you should be able to fully understand the pictorial vocabulary. Okay everyone, आपको इसकी the things which start with this letter you should be able to know them. You have to revise, okay, as many times as you can. I'll meet you in the next lecture. Till then, take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz everyone.